Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about the Boldtrail CRM tutorial, and is Boldtrail the right CRM for your business? Boldtrail CRM is a complete AI-powered customer relationship management tool made especially for real estate professionals. It's created by Inside Real Estate and combines everything you need into one place, like lead generation, marketing tools, managing transactions, and handling back office tasks. This makes it useful for real estate agents, teams, and brokerage who want to work more efficiently and connect better with their clients. This platform brings together tools that help you manage contacts, track leads, and see all your conversations with clients in one place. It uses AI to understand how leads behave and then automatically sends follow-up messages, which keeps people engaged without you doing all the work. You can even build your website through Boldtrail using customizable templates that pull listings from your local MLS, so visitors can see real-time property updates. These websites also help with branding and attracting new clients. Boldtrail also makes marketing easier. It comes with ready-made email campaigns, social media posts, and newsletters that you can personalize and send out automatically. There's a library filled with content templates so your messaging always stays consistent and professional. On the business side, it helps you track every deal from start to finish. You can view your sales pipeline in a visual format, which shows where each deal stands. It securely stores important documents like contracts, making it easy to stay organized and meet legal requirements. Plus, it automatically calculates commissions and keeps track of finances, which is especially helpful for brokerage managing several agents. The AI feature really helps prioritize leads by scoring them based on how interested they seem, which help you focus your time where it matters most. It can also pull in leads from various sources, like social media or websites, and organize them into your contact list. Boldtrail allows you to create your personal brand through its customizable websites. You can pick the design, add your logo, and make it match your business style. The integration with the MLS ensures that all property listings shown on your site are updated automatically. Transaction management is another strong feature. You can see how each deal is progressing, store documents securely, and even automate tasks like sending reminders or collecting signatures. It also helps calculate commissions accurately, so you don't have to do the math manually. Using Boldtrail saves time and effort by combining everything into one system, which means you don't need to use multiple apps or tools. It's suitable whether you're working alone as an agent or managing a large real estate team. There are many advantages, such as having all your tools in one place, getting help from AI to keep in touch with clients, and being able to grow your business without switching platforms. However, it might take a little time to learn how to use everything, especially if you're new to CRM systems. Also, while it offers many features, it may cost more than simpler CRM tool. Boldtrail offers a client portal feature where clients can log in to view documents, track progress, and communicate directly with their assigned agent. This helps reduce back and forth emails and makes the experience more transparent for the client. The CRM also supports customer pipeline stages tailored to your business flow. You're not locked into generic sales stages. You can create a unique pipeline that fits how your team actually works, whether it's prospecting, negotiations, contract send, or post-sale follow-up. Boldtrail includes a document e-signature support, allowing you to update contracts and get them signed digitally within the platform. This removes the need for third-party tools like DocuSign and speeds up the closing process. There's a smart duplicate detection system that automatically identifies and flags duplicate contacts, companies, or listing, helping you keep your CRM clean and avoiding double communication. Boldtrail provides analytics on agent performance, breaking down how many deals each agent has closed, how fast they respond to leads, and how much revenue they're generated. Managers can use this data to set goals, reward top performers, or offer coaching. You can use custom tags and filters to segment contacts by specific traits, such as past client, hot leads, buyers, or investors. These tags make it easy to send targeted messages or generating tailored reports. The CRM offers listing management tools that let you upload property details, photos, documents, and price histories. You can track listing status changes, assign listing to agent, and share listings with clients in a branded format. Boldtrail has email engagement tracking, showing you if a client opened an email, clicked on a link, or downloaded a file. This helps you gauge interest and follow up more effectively. You can also create team goals and share dashboards, allowing managers and agents to track collective progress on sales targets or project milestones. These visual tools help keep everyone aligned and motivated. Boldtrail support teams provides onboarding specialists for new customers. They help migrate your data, set up your pipelines, and train your team so you're not left figuring things out alone. Boldtrail CRM allows you to create custom lead scoring system based on criteria you define, such as management level, timeline to purchase, or budget range. This helps agents prioritize the most promising leads instead of wasting time on cold ones. You can set automated workflow to update scores as leads interact with your content or site. The CRM also features a built-in communication center that includes email templates, text messaging, and even voice call integration. Agents can connect their email accounts to manage all correspondence within the platform and track when emails are opened or clicked. This creates a complete communication timeline for each contact. There's also geo-targeting features for real estate teams, letting you search your leads and clients by locations. If you're hosting an open house or want to target a specific zip code, you can quickly filter your database and send personalized invites or promotions to people in that area. Boldtrail supports task dependencies and reminders, so users can create complex workflows like sending a follow-up email 2 days after showing or assign a reminder to call the client if they haven't responded within 48 hours. This helps automate small steps that can easily be forgotten. The CRM includes role-based access control, letting admins control who on the team can see what. For example, a junior agent might only access their own leads, while a sales manager sees team-wide reports. This feature is important for data privacy and organizational structure. There's a property matching system that lets you enter a buyer preferences like price range, square footage, or neighborhood, and it will automatically match them with listing in your database. Whenever a new listing is added that fits the criteria, the system alerts the agent or the client. Boldtrail's mobile app includes offline access. Boldtrail's mobile app includes offline access, measuring users can view saved contacts, notes, and schedule tasks even without internet. This is useful for agencies in rural areas or during travel when connectivity isn't guaranteed. It also integrates with calendar tools like Google Calendar and Outlook, allowing you to sync appointments both ways. So when you add a showing in a Boldtrail, it appears on your Google Calendar and vice versa. This ensures you never miss an appointment. The platform offers white label branding option, so brokerages can customize the CRM interface with their own logo and colors, providing a more personalized and professional experience for their team. Finally, Boldtrail provides data import wizards that help you move contacts, notes, and listing from your CRMs or spreadsheets into Boldtrail. It walks you through the process step by step, ensuring that your information comes in clean and organized. Boldtrail includes offline access capabilities, meaning agents can view and update certain CRM data even without an internet connection. Once the connection is stored, changes are automatically synced into the cloud, which is especially useful for on-the-go professionals like real estate agents or field sales reps. It offers smart scheduling features that integrate with your calendar and suggest optimal meetings times based on your availability and your client's time zone. You can even allow leads to book appointments directly through a link, avoiding long email chains. The CRM includes lead scoring automation, where leads are assigned scores based on their behavior, such as opening emails, replying, or clicking links. High-scoring leads can be prioritized for outreach, making your sales process smarter and more efficient. Boldtrail support role-based permissions, allowing administrators to control what data each user or department can see and edit. This helps you protect sensitive information while keeping workflows clean and focused. It includes automated activity tracking that logs phone calls, emails, and meetings automatically so agents don't need to enter every detail manually. This makes reporting more accurate and reduces admin work. You can create a sales playbooks and SOPs directly inside the platform. This acts embedded guides for agents, showing what steps to follow at each stages of the pipelines. It's great for onboarding new staff and keeping your team aligned. Boldtrail also offers integrations with real-time chat tools, so agents can message leads directly from the CRM using tools like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger without switching between platforms. Overall, Boldtrail CRM is a powerful choice for real estate professionals who want to improve how they manage clients, make their services, and handle transactions. If you're ready to invest in a system that supports your growth and keeps your business organized, this could be a great fit. It's worth exploring the demo videos and guides available online to see how it works in action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.